Okay, so best way to go about doing this, little hex screw right there. It's like a little retaining tab up here. It's like this. Take those off. And inside of here, there's like a bowl. Okay, it's clockwise. Okay, once you get to this part, you don't even need to use a tool. Just pull it. And this comes right out. Don't try to use like a tool or anything like I did. Just be wasting your time. You'll hear like a little clip when you push the new one in, and that's when you know it's not going to come out. So make sure you get this in. So you don't want this thing. I want to come back and have to redo it, see if it's not working. Here's the old one here. Got the new one. And this is done with the 10mm. And yeah, that's it. Okay, just check them, they work. I'm just gonna put everything back together. So for this part, it's a matter of pushing in. So you're kind of pushing this in. I use like a flathead, kind of get everything to snap together. It should snap. You just kind of push it in. Use a flathead, kind of guide it. Don't try to pry it apart because it's gonna bring it out. Push it in, and then everything just snaps together. You put your hex here or the hex nut. This one on right here. I loosen up this one, so I also tighten that up. Scratch it. Okay, that's the last bit. Right there. And that's it.